Thanks for the Good morning, Anjana. Good morning, Prem Shankar. Simran, Saloni, Arnav, Utsav, present. Attendance. Whose names I am saying they are present. Sujata, Saloni, Simran, Rishabh, Utkarsh, Ashish. Who is Ashish Kumar? 10th class, who is Ashish? Aditya. Because I had a relaxation from your class today, one day class leave. Live classes, they are attending live classes, Utkarsh. Okay, anyhow, our topic will be, I think, today, page number 109, last paragraph. Let's start there, see it. Unlike transport in xylem, which is largely, I have already explained, in xylem, water minerals are transported with the help of which process, either you can call it diffusion, root pressure, osmosis, translational pull. Water minerals are transported by two processes, root pressure and translational pull. Unlike transport in xylem, which can be largely explained by simple physical process, the translocation in phloem. What is translocation? Alok, tell me what is translocation? Alok, what is translocation? Lazy fellow, tell me the answer. Alok. Others reply, what is translocation? You all need a stick, that's all. See it. Good morning, Mansi. Look here, the transport of soluble products of photosynthesis. The transport of soluble products of photosynthesis is called Simran, that is tips, you have written lips. Transport of food from, retract your answer. Simran, answer is translocation of food from leaves to other parts of the plant. Change the spelling of leaves. Simran. What are you saying here? From lips, LIPS, lips. This. Anyhow, others may have understood transport of food from where? Which part of the plant prepares food? Leaves. Transport of food from leaves to the other parts of the plant, that is called translocation. And here what we are going to study, how the food, say, if you are sitting in class, you have to use energy to walk out of the class. So here question is how food is transported from the leaves to other parts of the plant. There must be some energy. The food material requires some energy to move from one place to another. And how does the food gets energy to move? What is the energy currency in plant? ATP. What is the energy currency? ATP. See, and Ankit, I'm warning you there. Every day you are saying good morning and running out. Useless when I meet you in class, severely I thrash there. Today, if you go, see there. First day when I enter the school, I'll kick you hard. Every day I have made a joke there. You are coming, giving attendance and running away. Today, full time I want. Otherwise, be careful. No one will save you from punishment. Useless. Are you there, Ankit? Reply, Ankit. Otherwise, you are sure. Now I will block you there. And next, when you come to the class, you see 5 minutes. Another see. Unlike transport in xylem, which can be largely explained by simple. So let me block this fellow. Ankit. Okay, that Ankit is blocked. Now you will make another ID to give attendance. Say here. The translocation in phloem is achieved by utilizing energy. Material like sucrose is transferred into the phloem using energy from ATP. See, basically, imagine this is your phloem and materials like sucrose. What is sucrose? Basically, sucrose is basically food. Sucrose is food. What is sucrose? Food. Formula C12H22O11. Just remember this sucrose food is transferred to the phloem using energy from ATP. Listen here. Material like sucrose is transferred into the phloem tissue using energy from ATP. This increases the osmotic pressure of the tissue, causing water to move into it. This pressure moves the material in the phloem tissue, which has less pressure. See here. For example, this particular tissue, this is the size. This is the size of the tissue. Whenever this food material will enter this tissue, what will increase? When you put something, it will apply force. The food will apply force on the walls of phloem because we are inserting food inside. So it increases the osmotic pressure of tissue. It increases what? Osmotic pressure of tissue. Whenever, pay attention, whenever food is transferred to phloem, that increases the osmotic pressure of the tissue, and whenever the pressure increases, from nearby tissue, what comes? Water. Water moves into phloem. Water will move into phloem, and this water will carry the food to those tissues which have less pressure. Less pressure means what? Those tissues which contain less food, or which tissues where the amount of food is less. And there are holes, seed fields. Which part of the plant will have less food? This water will carry it to that particular part. See, materials like, pay attention, materials like sucrose is transferred into the phloem tissue using energy from ATP. This increases the osmotic pressure of the tissue, causing, when pressure will increase, what will happen? Water will move into it. Water will, for example, common. This is duster. All of you listen. This is duster. If I soak this duster in water, clear, and then if I apply pressure, my hands will be wet. Similarly, if we increase the osmotic pressure of the phloem tissue from sideways, what will come? Water. The water will start carrying food material. See, this increases the osmotic pressure of the tissue, causing the water to move into it. This pressure moves materials in the phloem to tissues which have less pressure. This allows the phloem to move material according to plant needs. This is allowing phloem wherever the pressure will be less at that particular point, food will be transferred. This allows the phloem to move material according to the plant's need. For example, in the spring, the sugar stored in the root or stem would be transported to the birds. You must have seen in which season flowers come out. So spring season, how does the flower or the fruits or the birds they start flowering? Because food is already stored where? In the roots stem, and that food is transferred to the birds during spring season, so they start flowering. All of you read that. Everybody read transport of food and other substances. C12S22 O11. Take this book. Any doubt in the read first and then tell me any doubt. All of you read. Sankar, how many times you will ask metabolic process? Metabolic process consists of two processes. One is catabolic. Catabolic means breaking down of substances in our body to release energy, and anabolic, making of new substances or synthesis of new substances in the body. These together form the metabolic process. Is it clear, Sankar? Have you read? See, and next we have excretion. All of you know very well what is excretion. Removal of harmful nitrogenous waste from the body. What type of waste we release? Three wastes are there: solid waste, liquid waste, gaseous waste. Your gaseous waste will be carbon dioxide, liquid waste, urine and sweat, solid waste, feces. See here, we have already discussed how organisms get rid of gaseous substances generated during photosynthesis. Plants release the waste carbon dioxide through stomata. We release our carbon dioxide through our nostrils. See here, other metabolic activities generate nitrogenous material which need to be removed. The biological process involved in the removal of harmful metabolic waste from the body. See here, those biological processes which are involved, pay attention, those biological processes which are involved in removal of harmful metabolic waste. Which waste? Harmful metabolic waste. Those biological processes which are involved in removal of harmful metabolic waste from the body, that process is called excretion. That process is called excretion. Next you see, different organisms use varied strategies. Varied strategy, I have already told you, different methods are there to remove their body waste. Many unicellular organisms are drawn the picture on the board. Do you remember? Amoeba, Amoeba is removing waste material simply by diffusion. Harmful metabolic process. Your urine, that is not process. I told about waste, metabolic waste. Your urea, uric salt, uric acid, these are harmful metabolic waste. See, different organisms use various strategies to do this. Many unicellular organisms remove this waste by simple diffusion from the body surface. Which unicellular organism removes by diffusion? Which unicellular organism removes metabolic waste through simple diffusion? Amoeba. Which? Amoeba. Then, as we have seen in other process, complex multicellular organisms. We are complex multicellular, simple multicellular. Complex. So we have specialized organs. We have specialized organs. Now see excretion in human beings. All of you look here. Human beings have a pair of kidneys. Everyone look here. We have a pair of kidneys. We have a pair of ureters, urinary bladder, and last what we have urethra. Labeling, you remember, this is kidney. This is a pair of tube called ureters, and last what we have urethra. See here. The excretory system of human beings includes a pair of kidneys. Includes what? How many kidneys we have? Two. Pair of kidneys, a pair of ureters, a urinary bladder, and a urethra. Kidneys are located in the abdomen. See here, these kidneys are located on the abdomen, on either side of the abdomen. Urine produced in the kidneys. If somebody asks you what is the basic function of kidneys, basic function of kidneys, filtration of blood. Filtration of blood. Kidneys, urine produced in the kidney passes through the ureters. See a simple process there. Kidneys are two in number. Whatever. What do you think that now we are sitting or standing? Is our blood being filtered now? Is urine is being produced in our body? Yes. So drop by drop your blood is being filtered and that is stored. That is fast. Drop by drop the blood is being filtered and then passes through what? Ureters. Drop by drop the blood is filtered and passes through ureters and get stored in which bladder? Urinary bladder. Get stored in which bladder? Get stored in urinary bladder. And that when there is a pressure, actually urinary bladder is a muscular organ. As urine fills in that, at one time it comes, you'll feel urge to urinate. You'll feel urge to urinate when there is pressure in your urethra. When there is pressure in the urethra, you have to remember, keep in mind that is muscular. That is a muscular organ, so it is under our control. See. Urine produced in the kidney passes through the ureters into the urinary bladder, where it is stored until it is released to urethra. How is urine produced? The purpose of making urine is to filter out waste products from the blood, just as carbon dioxide is removed from. Say a basic function of urine. You may think that what is the need of urine in the body? Need of urine is to filter waste materials. Filter waste materials out of the body. See, what are the nitrogenous waste? Nitrogenous waste such as urea, uric acid are removed from the blood in the kidneys. What is the formula of urea? Nitrogenous waste such as urea or uric acid. Nitrogenous waste such as urea or uric acid are removed from blood. They are removed from what? Blood. See, this is the formula of urea. And you know the first synthetically made, everyone listen here, the first synthetically made organic compound in the laboratory was urea. NH2, formula of urea. See, it is containing nitrogen. So we call it which waste? Nitrogenous waste. So nitrogenous waste, see here everybody, nitrogenous waste. such as what? Urea and uric acid are removed from the blood in the kidney. It is then no surprise that basic filtration unit in the kidney, like lungs, is a cluster of here. If I tell you the exchange, basic unit of exchange in lungs is what? Alveoli. Similarly, the basic unit of all the living cells, living beings is what? Basic unit of living organism, cell. The smallest, the structure and the function of life is called cell. Similarly, kidney is also made up of very tiny function unit that is called nephron. What it is called? Nephron. See, is a cluster of thin wall capillaries. Each capillary cluster in the kidney is seated with a cup shape end of a coiled tube called Bowman's capsule that collects the filtrate. See here, all of you look here. This structure. This is the structure of your pay attention. This is the structure of nephron. It is structure of many nephrons. Actually, when exam question come, what is the filtration or what is the basic unit of kidney? Basic unit of kidney is what? Nephron. This nephron consists of coiled structure. What is happening? Impure blood. Everyone look here. Impure blood is coming from branch of renal artery. Branch of which artery? Renal artery, and this cup-shaped end is called Bowman's capsule. Cup-shaped end is called which capsule? Bowman's capsule. The impure blood will come and get filtered where? In Bowman's capsule, it will give everything. For example, all of you look here. When you come out, when you come from school to your house, what happens? You are very tired. You throw your tie, you throw your belt, you throw your shoes, you throw your bags. Do you think all are useless? They are not useless, but the time when you enter the house, you give all the materials belonging that you have. Similarly, whenever the impure blood enters nephron, look here, whenever the impure blood will enter the nephron, it will filter out useful substance also, water, glucose, that is needed in the body. It gives the same substance where? Into the nephron. But after giving glucose, water, and some important compounds, the blood realizes that I have lost useful substance. So what again the blood will do? Blood will again coil around where? Nephron to take it back. That is called selective reabsorption. Selective means it is selecting which materials are useful, then it is taking it back. Say here, each capillary cluster in the kidney is associated with a cup-shaped end of a coiled tube called Bowman's capsule that collects the filtrate. Each kidney has a large number of these filtration units called nephrons. Some substances in initial filtrate, such as glucose. Initial filtrate means what? First time when this impure blood is being filtered, whatever substance is being filtered, then it is giving glucose. Glucose is useful or harmful? Useful. That is also it is giving in nephron. Filtrates such as glucose, amino acid. Amino acid you all know useful for making protein. Glucose, amino acid, salt, and a major amount of water are selectively reabsorbed. Means when the impure blood enters Bowman's capsule, it is getting filtered. In filter, it produces what? Glucose, amino acids, large amount of water, which it will coil again through the nephron and selectively reabsorb. Selectively reabsorb. Such as glucose, amino acid, salt, and a major amount of water are selectively reabsorbed. As the urine flows along the tube, the amount of water reabsorbed depends on how much water is present in the body and how much of the dissolved waste is there to be excreted. For example, in which season you go to toilets more? In summer or winter? Why in winter you go? Because in winter time, in your blood, there is already more amount of water. There is already more amount of water. So blood does not take water from your nephron back. Already the blood has enough water, so blood will not take water from nephron back. So that water will come out through urination. Water will come out through urination, but we don't go to toilets, especially in summer, frequently. Why? Because water is only not there. That is being evaporated due to heat in the form of our sweat. We are losing water, so how much water will be reabsorbed depends how much water is present in the body. Then, how much of dissolved waste is there to be excreted? The urine forming in each kidney eventually enters, and after the urine is formed in the kidney, where does the urine goes? ureters. And after the ureters, urinary bladder. Urinary bladder is stored until the pressure is there to release out. The urine forming in each kidney eventually enters a long tube. The ureter enters a long tube, the ureter which connects kidney with the bladder until the pressure of the expanded bladder leads to urge to pass it through the urethra. Bladder is muscular. Urinary bladder is what? Muscular, that is made up of muscles. So it is under our control. Understood? Bladder is muscular, so it is under our. See here. Bladder is muscular, so it is under nervous control. As we have discussed elsewhere, we can usually, most of the time, we can control our urination because it is what? Muscular, and it is under our control. See here, excrete. All of you read up to here first. Read up to here. Urge means a kind of pressure to do something. Urge. I said urge means a kind of feeling to them. Sometimes you have urge to eat something, kind of sensation of feeling to do particular thing, that is urge pressure. Have you read, everybody? So this chapter is also almost over. Then next, now see excretion in plants. Last topic. Or have you read? Simran did not read. Say, plants use completely different strategies for excretion than those of animals. Say, during the day, neuron. Nancy, listen, and neuron, everyone. This girl is sample. That is not neuron, Nancy, that is nephron. Neuron is in nerves, and this is not a nerves. That is called nephron. In kidney, we have nephron. In nerves, we have neuron. So, what is nephron? Nephron is the basic functional. Nephron is structural and functional unit of what? Kidney. It consists of coil capillaries. It consists of what? Coil capillaries. The impure blood, when it enters your Bowman's capsule, it is filtered. At that time, it gives out all the useful materials such as glucose, amino acid, water, and again, that particular tube coils around the nephron. Blood coils around the nephron to selectively reabsorb. And finally, what is left in the nephron? Urine. What is left? Urine. See here. Oxygen during the day, what does the plant release? Carbon dioxide or oxygen? During the day, plants release oxygen, so oxygen will be considered as a waste product. Oxygen will be considered as waste product of plant. Plant use completely different strategies for respiration than those of animal. Oxygen itself can be thought of as a waste product generated during photosynthesis. We have discussed earlier how plants deal with oxygen as well as carbon dioxide. They can rid of excess of water. See here, how do the plants get rid of excess of water? Through transpiration. Through which process? Transpiration. For other waste, plants use the fact that some parts such as leaves or many plants waste are stored in cellular vacuoles. See here, some plants they lose their leaves, they consider the leaves as what? Waste material. Consider leaves as what? Waste material. Waste products may be stored in leaves that fall off. Other waste products are stored as resins. Sticky substance you must have seen present in the tree, that sticky substance is resin, and gums, especially in old xylem. Which xylem? Old xylem. Plants also speed substances into the soil around them. Plants also release certain substances into the soil around them, so these substances is also considered as waste product. All of you read excretion in plants and tell me any doubt, anybody? Read excretion in plants.